At Automation Direct, we've made it simple to find the exact product for your application. For example, let's find an inductive proximity sensor. AutomationDirect.com lists nearly 1,000 products in inductive proximity sensors. So how do you find the one you need? Simple. Over here on the left, we provided this great narrow results tool. Since the number next to each selection shows us how many of the products match any given parameter, we see right away that 643 of these products are actually sensors. So we start by selecting that, then the remaining parameters that we know. The tool tells us exactly what questions to ask. Cool, from the original 1,000 products, we're down to just 5. Want to see the differences between these? Just check the compare boxes, then view comparison. All the differences are highlighted. The tools make all the decisions for you, so you can see how to easily narrow down to specific devices for your application. Please see our other videos covering sensors in depth and using the compare tool to help in your selection. Supercharge your shopping experience at AutomationDirect.com, the common sense way to buy industrial controls. Click here to see all of our videos. Be sure to check out all of our web store tutorial videos here. Subscribe to the Automation Direct channel to be notified of new videos here.